Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fillable PDF form using Google Docs. So let's begin. So as you can see, I have a form created right over here, and you might have noticed that instead of using a dash, I have inserted a $sign and then used parentheses and then inserted the information. So to create a fillable form, we need to enter our data in this format. So I will insert a $sign and then I will insert parentheses and then I will type down name inside the parentheses. So you have to organize your form in this format, and then you need to go to extensions over here and then click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons, and then you have to click on the search bar over here and search for fillable documents, and then you will find fillable document over here. Tap on the fillable document to open the extension, and then you have to click on install over here. So as you can see, the fillable document has been installed. Now we will click on done. So I will close this window and then I will go to extensions again. Then I will find fillable document. I will click on start over here. So as you can see, my data has been loaded over here, and also the date of birth has been loaded as calendar. And then we can click on open web form right over here. After that, from here we will click on sign in with Google. So as you can see, the fillable form has been loaded in another website. Now what you need to do is you need to insert your information over here. So I will fill out the form real quick. Alright, so I have filled out all the informations over here. They might not be correct because they're just for demonstration, and then I will click on generate over here. Now as you can see, we have two files and this is a PDF file. So if I click on the PDF file over here, now as you can see, the PDF file has been opened and all the information that I provided has been saved in PDF format. So guys, that's how you can make a fillable PDF form using Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.